Hi, in this video we will learn how to share data between two sibling components. Suppose we have one parent component and that particular parent component is having two child component, child 1 and child 2 component. If I want to share data between child 1 and child 2 component, then how I can do that? That particular thing we will learn in this particular video. Let's start with coding. Okay, so what I'm going to do, like I will consider this as a child one component. Okay. And here I don't need that particular username. I will pass data from child one component to the child two component. Okay. Okay, so I just need set username only and don't need this username. Okay, and let me create one more component, that is child 2 component. Okay, so I have created child 2 component here, and let me copy the content from here. It's very similar. And just paste it here, and I will rename this to the pros. And in this one, in child 2 component, we will as we are passing data from child 1 to child 2, right? So here we will receive username, whatever we have shared in child 1 component. Okay. So username type will be string. Okay, and this particular types I'm going to use here, and component name should be child 2, and then here child component 2. Okay. So here instead of set username we will use username. Okay, and then we have child component 2. This is the child component 2, and in child component 2 what we will use just my user name in the child component 2. Okay, then I will put username here, and I have to call this particular uh, child 2 component in the parent component. Let me do that particular thing. I will just remove username from here, and then because this is the child 1 component, right, I have to pass. So let me do that. I have this particular code. I mean, I have just child 1 component and child 2 component, right? In child 1 component I'm setting the data, setting the username, and then in child 2 component I'm just passing the that particular username to the child 2 component. So this is the particular parent component. In parent component we have this particular state. Okay, and this particular state we are setting it from child 1 component, and whatever state value we have we are passing that state value into the child 2 component. Okay, so let's check this particular thing in UI. Okay, so here if you see we have child 1 component, right? In child 1 component we have username. So whatever user I'm typing here, that is that we are passing into the child 2 component. This is the way to share data between two sibling component. Okay, yeah, that's all we have for the data passing between the components. Okay, please share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.